Hi cake lovers, welcome to Cakes Factory. Today's video is all about chocolate overloaded cake, the kind that makes your mouth water. Just by looking at them, we are gathering 20 chocolate loaded cake ideas that are bold, rich, and perfect for birthday parties or any sweet craving. Let's dive into chocolate paradise. The first one is triple layer chocolate cake, pure chocolate dry, candy bar overloaded chocolate cake. Brownie warm chocolate cake, soft cake base covered in chunks of brownies, fragile drizzles, and mini chocolate chips. So rich and so good. The next is Ferrero Rocher Fantasy Chocolate Cake. Perfect combo of smooth and crunchy. The next is Cocoa Muse Explosion Cake. Light, fully, and indulgent. The next is Kit Kat Border Cake. It's fun and easy to make. Cocoa Caramel Delight Cake. Chocolate cake filled with caramel, topped with caramel drizzles and chunk of caramel bars. The next is Overloaded Chocolate Cake. The next is Oreo Loaded Chocolate Cake. Oreo halves on top. The next is Lava Float Drip Cake. A thick lava-like chocolate drip running down a layered cake topped with truffles and fudge sauce. The next is cocoa donut stuck cake. A tall cake stuffed with mini chocolate devils, donut sprinkles, and pipe can sweet overloaded. The next is dark chocolate elegance. Deep, rich, dark chocolate finish with gold accent and macaron soft crunch. Waves fancy and bold. Mini chocolate bento cake. Small in size but big in flavor. Small. These individual sized cakes are loaded with chocolate cream and mini toppings. The next is Cocoa Berry Furion cake layered with dark chocolate and topped with juicy strawberries, raspberries, or drizzles of fudge. Smash surprise cake. Hard chocolate shell cake filled with candies, chocolates, and surprise treat inside. Smash to reveal. The next is Ganache and sprinkle party cake, covered in dark chocolate ganache with rainbow cocoa sprinkles, perfect for fun birthday. Nut overloaded cake, rich and crunchy. Milk and white chocolate mix cake, marble sponge, milk and white chocolate frosting and double brick design on top, beautiful and tasty. The next is hot cocoa cake. Cake inspired by hot with many mash balls, cocoa powder dust and whipped creamy chocolate. The next is Gain cupcake chocolate cake. The next is full on chocolate explosion cake. And that's your tour through 20 chocolate overloaded cake you will love. Once you made curve like the most, tell us in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon so you never miss any other cake idea from Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.